Hi, my love. Welcome to Canada. First step on Canadian soil. Hello. Huh? Canadian rug. How was your flight? Na?
It was good. Pero parang may natutulog ako.
Syempre. 13 hours yung flight eh. Welcome. It's your second morning in one day. Then hello Toronto. It's our second morning in one day. We started this flight 1 a.m. Philippine time. It should be around 9 in the Philippines, so we spent around 18 to 19 hours of real hours.
Yeah.
But it's still morning here in Canada. It's as if that didn't happen. So our body is expecting that it's evening now, but it's morning.
Yeah.
So baka yun yung na-feel mo.
Oo. Actually, na-feel ko, hindi ko alam baka may pressure lang sa katawan ko dahil nasa air tayo the whole time.
Oo. Okay, welcome to Canada. Then I'll be cutting this short na kasi we will be facing immigration and we'll see if we can be permanent residents. So magpe-prepare na kami yan. Also, Rai, nakalimutan natin gawin yung advanced Canadian declaration, yung customs declaration, yung sa phone, yung arrive can. Oo. Dapat ginawa ko sa Korea. So, wag na tayo magmadali here.
Yeah.
Wala naman problem. Advanced declaration naman yan. Hindi naman mandatory. Pero ibig sabihin, mas may delay lang kasi gagawin natin here. Okay, so mas take your time lang. Okay? We'll be focusing now and preparing our documents because immigration time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Welcome to Canada. 19 hours done. Thank you, Lord.